Tired of looking up the same old books every year? Want a good website or safe internet searching option for your students? Work smarter, not harder. Try our new online library catalog. Council Bluffs School Library Catalog is now online, which means you can access it from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have internet service. The URL is http://destiny.cbcsd.org. Or if you have trouble remembering that, access your school's landing page and click on the Applications tab. Once you're in, you'll want to click on your school and then log in by using the same username and password that you use to log onto your computer. If you are unable to log in, please speak with your library media specialist or library associate. Once you've logged in, you may notice that you have some extra options that you previously did not have, such as WebPath Express and Standard Search. We'll look into these later, but we're going to start with the basics. One of the simplest things to do with our new library catalog is to do a quick search. Simply type in a search term and choose keyword, title, author, subject, or series. A list of books meeting your search parameters will appear. It's important to check to see if a book is first available on the left-hand side, and then jot down the call numbers to locate the book or resources in your library. Is there a topic that you cover every year, or a list of books that you want to make available to your students and even yourself at a later date? You can create a resource list in a few simple steps. First, click on the resource list in the navigation bar. Once you've accessed My List, you can create a new one by selecting Add List. When creating your list, you can choose to keep it private or public if you'd like to share your list with colleagues or students. If you change your mind later, you will be able to edit your list. Now that you have a list created, start your search again. You'll notice that resources have an option to add to a list. Just click on the words to add it. Books can also be removed by simply clicking on the resource again and then selecting Remove. Hate citing sources? The other great thing about our new online catalog is that it does this step for you. You have the option to simply print a citation list or even take it an extra step and create a bibliography that can be sorted by call number, author, or title. It has the option to have a short annotation. All Destiny citations will be created in the MLA format. Next, let's take a look at the WebPath Express. Again, this is only available if you're logged into Destiny. Once you've entered your search term, a list of reviewed websites will be available. You will be able to narrow your search by selecting grade level appropriateness and domain. Similar to the library resources, these websites can be added to your list. This is also a great way to have students safely search the internet for appropriate websites at their reading level. Finally, let's look at the standard search. This feature allows you to find out what books are in your library that meet the Iowa and national standards. There are two options for searching. You can do a standard search or you can do a browse. I personally think that browsing is the easier option. You'll be provided with drop-down search options helping you to more successfully narrow down your search. You'll start with subject, then grades, and finally benchmarks. Once you've located what you're searching for, a list of websites and titles that meet the GLE standard or benchmark will become available for your use. If you have any more questions, please contact one of the district media specialists. Happy searching!